Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so the Files app can mount external storage. Plug the SSD using a certified USB-C or Lightning adapter. If the drive draws more than 500 mAh, add a powered hub. This prevents disconnections. Once connected, open Files to see the drive. If it doesn't appear, make sure the SSD is formatted to exFAT, FAT32, or apps. You do this now because correct power and format avoid data loss and unlock immediately. Once the drive mounts, you use Files as the central manager to copy, move, or create folders. This is faster than streaming. Tap and hold items to move or duplicate, and make new folders to mirror your backup layout. This preserves organization for later restores. Make sure apps like Photos or iMovie have permission to access external storage so you can import media directly. If an app can't see the SSD, revoke and re-grant permissions, or restart the app to force a refresh. To finish, always eject the SSD inside Files before disconnecting. Abrupt removal risks corruption and lost work. After ejection, verify Files open on the phone, then optionally copy critical items back to cloud or another drive. This prevents single-point failure. If the SSD becomes unreadable, connect it to a Mac or Windows PC and run Disk Utility or chkdsk to repair or reformat. If that fails, restore from backups. A quick troubleshooting tip. If mounting fails, check power and swap the adapter to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.